Blockchain bonds, a historic 24/7 operation. On August 12, 2025, a historic milestone forever changed the way financial markets operate. For the first time, a group of the world's largest institutions conducted a US Treasury Bond repurchase operation entirely on the blockchain, and they did so on a Saturday. A trade that previously depended on the limited hours of traditional markets was now settled in real time, 24/7. This operation was conducted on the Canton Network, a public blockchain developed by Digital Asset and focused on high-level privacy and security for financial transactions. Participating in the consortium were major names such as Bank of America, Citadel Securities, Circle, Cumberland DRW, DTCC, Hidden Road, Société Générale, TradeWeb, and Virtu Financial. The process began with tokenized US Treasury bonds deposited in a DTCC subsidiary. These securities were used as collateral to obtain USDC, Circle stablecoin, fully backed by dollars. The transaction was executed through the TradeWeb platform, known for its efficient execution of capital market transactions. The highlight was real-time atomic settlement, which eliminated the delay between execution and settlement, increasing security and reducing counterparty risk. This advancement demonstrates that the integration of traditional finance and blockchain technology is no longer a distant promise. It is a growing reality. By bringing greater liquidity, transparency, and efficiency, this model paves the way for continuous trading, independent of time zones or bank schedules. The Canton Network, used in this pilot, stands out for offering the privacy necessary for large financial institutions to operate on a public blockchain without exposing strategic information, while ensuring the immutability and auditability of transactions. With the successful completion of this first transaction, the group is already planning new transactions through the end of 2025. And if the trend continues, we will see a much more dynamic capital market, where tokenized assets and stablecoins coexist with the solidity of traditional securities. This is the beginning of a new standard. Transactions that previously required days of confirmation can now be completed in minutes, with enhanced security and full integration into the global digital ecosystem. For those closely following, this transformation signals that the tokenization of financial assets is no longer a laboratory test. It is infrastructure in production, shaping the future of investments and credit. You have just experienced one of the most disruptive changes in the financial system in recent memory. An operation that breaks time barriers, integrates real-world assets with digital assets, and creates a path to faster, safer, and more accessible markets. If you want to follow every development in this scenario, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates.